Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Hope you are all well. So today we are going to discuss the 14th problem in the TLA Eliminator CP sheet, 800 rated problems. The problem name is buttons. Let's start. Let's start by reading the problem statement first. Anna and Katie ended up in a secret lab. There are A plus B plus C buttons in the lab. It turned out that A buttons can only be pressed by Anna, B can only be pressed by Katie, and C buttons can be pressed by either of them. Anna and Katie decided to play a game, taking turns pressing these buttons. Anna makes the first turn. Each button can be pressed at most once, so at some points, one of the girls will not be able to make her turn. The girl who cannot press a button loses. Determine who will win if both the girls play optimally. We will be given the A and B and C. That is the number of buttons Anna can press, the number of buttons Katie can press, and the number of buttons both of them can press. So let's see how to approach this problem. So A can only be pressed by Anna, B can only be pressed by Katie, and C can be pressed by both. So while playing optimally, both of them will first finish the C types of button and then they will press their own buttons. So this is the intention for this problem. So now let's see how the button pressing will work. Let's take the third test case, 1, 2 and 3. So Anna would be going first, so she will decrease this number to 2. Then Katie will proceed and she will again decrease this number to 1. Then again Anna will come and decrease this number to 0. Now Katie cannot press this button. Then she will press her buttons. Now Katie presses this, so this comes to 1. Now Anna has her own button, so she will press this. Then again Katie presses the button and this becomes 0. So now it's a turn for Anna, and now she cannot press any other button, so she loses. So the answer is second. That means Katie wins. So that is the approach. One thing we can see is Anna starts first. So if C is odd or C is even, if C is even, Anna will start again. If C is odd, it will be the turn of Katie. Now when Anna starts to use her own buttons, that is the A and B button, her button should be greater than B. Then only she will be able to win the game. So if A is greater than B, then Anna wins. That means we will print first. Otherwise Katie will win. That means we will print second. Otherwise, if it's a turn for Katie, then A should be greater than equal to B. If A is greater than B, then only Anna can win. Otherwise, it will be Katie who wins. So let's see the coding part here. We will take the input A, B and C. If C is odd, then we will check if A is greater than B, greater than equal to B. If it's greater than equal to B, we will print first. Otherwise, we will print second. Now here, if C is odd, then we will check if A is greater than B, then Anna wins. Otherwise, Katie wins. So this is the approach for the problem. Now let's move on to coding the same. Now let's code it up. I have my boilerplate code here. We will be given A, B and C. We will take them all as inputs. Now if C is even or C is odd, now if C is even, that means it's the turn of Anna again. So if A is greater than B, then only Anna will be able to win. So in that case, we will print first. Otherwise, Katie will win and we will print second. The same goes for the odd here. So here Katie will be starting. Now if A is greater than equal to B, then only Anna will be able to win. Otherwise Katie will win and we will print second. Let's try the sample inputs now. The answer should be first, second, first, second. Yeah, the answer is correct. Now let's try to submit it. Paste and submit. It is running and it got accepted. That means our approach and our solution is correct. Comment down what was your approach for solving the same problem. If you have any doubts in the solution, do post them in the comment section. Also, this is a series for all the problems in the CP sheet. Do check all the other problems as well. Like the video, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.